Beat it.
Can I get anyone dessert?
Beat it.
Competition starting. Beat it, Hasselhoff.
Beat it, ese.
Okay.
I guess it's just you and me.
Beat it, weirdo.
Look, I told you before, kid, don't bother me. Now beat it.
Oh, that's enough. Knock it off. Beat it.
Go, Scrum, beat it.
If I give you $1, will you go home?
Yeah.
You promise?
Promise.
Beat it.
Beat it, I got work to do. Go.
Porsche!
Abruzzi, I need you to hire me a PI.
Beat it.
If you're looking for the humans, you're wasting your time. They left this morning.
Thanks for the advice. Now beat it.
Okay, go away. Beat it. Hide beneath the wheels.
You're ripping my fur. Ah, get off, get off, get off, get off.
Got some bad news, muchacho. The chairs are for hotel guests only. Beat it.
I'd like to ask you a couple of questions, if you don't mind, about your new Beamer. No, thanks. Beat it.
Beat it, kid. House rules. You gotta pay to play.
Oh, is this enough?
We reserve the right to refuse service to anyone, so beat it.
You're holding up the line.
Beat it. Bamboo, scram. Hey, that's mine.
And move along, nothing to see here.
What'd you say?
I said keep walking, pal, nothing to see here. Beat it.
What'd you say?
I said beat it, get out of here.